How to set duration of pictures on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to set duration of pictures on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open the TikTok app, and then, just a disclaimer, TikTok still doesn't have an option in which you may be able to set the duration of pictures. However, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So, go ahead on the plus button found on the bottom mid of the screen, and then go to Effects right here. Then once you are on Effects, make sure to click on the search button right here and search for green screen. So we will be using the green screen effect or filter so that we may be able to use the um, pictures that you want. And then um, right here, choose the picture that you want. So for example, I will choose this one. So let's just wait for a minute. And then once you have chosen your picture, also choose the duration that you want first. May it be 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. So for example, I'll just choose 15 seconds, and then I'll choose this picture. So I guess my picture is still not loading. So assuming that this is your picture, what you're going to do is to press and hold into this button right here until you have reached your desired time. For example, you want to have it for like 3 seconds, then press and hold onto this button right here for 3 seconds and then release it. And then go to effects once again, choose another photo, and then press and hold again onto this button. For example, you want it this time for 2 seconds, then press and hold onto this button for 2 seconds, release it. Once 2 seconds is done, go to effects once again and then repeat the process again and again until you have finished the 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes, or to the time that you want. So that's it. That's how you can set duration of pictures on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.